Yo, what's up? So I'm gonna tell y'all about this test right here. Very easy, easy peasy. Only thing you gotta deal with is the time difference. You got 60 questions, 23 minutes. You do the math on when you gotta work at each one, how much you gotta go through. So I'm gonna tell you now, the algebra part for the test I took is not the biggest thing. The biggest thing will be the reading comprehension. Easy, but it's a lot. A lot of stuff you're going to deal with is going to be involving this. You can see that, I don't know, the light in the way. But, yeah, you got to deal with mechanical comprehension. Basically, like tell you which gear go this way when it's turning that way, stuff like that. You got to deal with numerical reasoning. So get that in order. Look these things up, numerical reasoning. Also, you got to get, what's the other paper? I just finished. I would say also a big thing is, where is it? That's so much shit, man. It's called this too numerical reasoning, but it's also called folding papers. You'll have to a bunch of papers that's like, they'll show you examples. They'll be like, okay, which way is this punched and then it's opened up? And then you got to solve what's the answer. Like, if it's punched open, think about a paper being folded, and you punch a hole in it and you open it up, how it's going to look. It's going to get very difficult down the line. It's very easy, but once you start thinking about how many unravelings you got to do, it gets hard. I'm going to tell you that now. I'm going to tell you the big three for real is just the mechanical comprehension, folding papers, and then you got to do that goddamn, what is it called? Numerical reasoning. Those are things you want to suck in when you're doing a test. I did a test for IBU 134 in Alsip, Illinois. That's the one I did the test for. It's easy. I say still go over your first year algebra. Go on Khan Academy. Go on their website. They recommend also. It's called mathisfun.com. Go on there. Look up all the algebra stuff. Do it. Just kill it. Just kill all the algebra stuff just so you can have it easier to compute things. You want to know all your divisibles. So from 2 to 12, all your divisibilities. I'll know all of that. One more thing for this thing cut off. Also, your multiplication chart. It's very elementary. I'm not going to lie to you. But it's just the speed and the thinking process you got to deal with. But that's it right there.